In primetime news tonight, opposition walkout as Senate passes bill for Petrojam buyback. Demolition on hold, vendors at Constant Spring Market given lifeline, and Damian Crawford for East Portland.
I'm not going to name it now, but
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week. Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Janella. Well, we've all heard about sip and paint, right? Well, what about puff and paint? Well, it's a new experience being put forward by a local ganja dispensing firm. I'll tell you all about that in the Financial Week.
Okay, wow, something to look up to. And in sports, can you top that?
Well, I hope so. A Jamaican pacer took career best figures and was instrumental in the Windies leveling their 5-match ODI series against England at Kensington Oval in Barbados today. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports.
We're hearing all the noise from the sports department this evening, so that's something to watch out for.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, an interesting feedback question.
This team we're saying the organizers of Paris 2024 have proposed that breakdancing, surfing, climbing, and skateboarding should be included as new sports in the Olympic program. What do you think?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.